Hey gems, you know it's a girl Nia back again with another video. For those who are new here, please hit the subscribe button near. And for the people them who they a long time, know some real gems them. No say yes, stick and stay, stick and slide because we're about to get clean room, repaint, extreme room makeover. Yes, click it. So that video actually I make after everything was finished because I never did have time to make the room intro in the room or whatever, and like I just want to get it over with and done and whatever. So now I'm gonna see what going, I'm gonna see what happens. Like yeah, will see. Yeah, child. And for the new people them, for the girlies them especially, you know, I for the girlies that those are my jams, anyways. So yeah, for the new girlies them, you know, say yeah, here's a safe space and holy pa nice video come like a lot of video. I don't know say for me all platforms, which is Instagram and TikTok and YouTube. Subscribe on YouTube, can never have any other platforms. Probably Facebook, but I don't really use it. So yeah, and I also post polls, questions, a question like a thing them. Yeah, no matter what. If you wanna answer them one want see from me what you expect, you know. So you can find my Instagram, I go check put the name down below, like yeah. I'm a TikTok. In fact, the names on all social media, all social media is this name, which is It's That Girl Nia. So you can just go on social media and find him and search up name. And you find me, that's me, that's your girl, me, that's me, yeah. So without any further chatting, can I chat for 1 minute and 45 seconds? Let's go. Bye. Yes, guys, yeah, start with the paint. I go paint and start to get the right color. Understand? Yeah. One move, I think could be. Oh my god. You said chat. Okay. Alright. So, people don't mind my bed right so it's a bed bottom. Alright. So now I'm gonna come from the comments to come talk about where is it. Because I'll answer and I don't answer nobody. Don't have time for that. So But don't do the first quote, but just need to do the second quote and then a girl is finished. Period. Yeah guys, I'm full of talent, multi-talented. Clock it. But so guys, my paint, I'm gonna eat from morning. I don't eat nothing from my job. But chat. My mango. This is good effort. What you hungry? But just good. Whenever you hungry at all. And guys, yeah, honestly, I'm a paint you don't need. And yam up. Clock it. Hungry.
Something all right?
So many things. second coat when some. Well, let's do second coat. The foundation, the wala, the window today, and piece of the wala. But yeah. You want some? Take a bite, take a bite, take a bite. Take a bite, take a bite.
Nice.
Well, no, I did.
What's that guys? About 3:56 now. I'm at the last touch up. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. So guys, I'm done painting and well, I'm gonna go yeah that thing but I'm gonna first fix up my room first and I'm gonna take it out with me. Fix up my room and I know which decor in my head. But I'm gonna just work with my head say I guess. I don't know. Somebody feel like saying no this too but not too crowded to just take it up and the mirror upon it. Nah, make me be able to set my room or set it. So I'm gonna take it off. So I'm not look like crowded. But I'm gonna feel like it take up enough space, but at the same time it not really take up enough space, that take up enough space. To make go buy one standing mirror. Such a my cry tears like my body living in the water for them take it off because that was saying no it no make sound right there. God chat. I said chat my wall living in the water me have it. That's right. Actually, I don't know because the night I come now after 6 now. I don't get it. I'm a lucky. So that's my last video. And the lighting is really bad. So the quality look really bad.
Salagadoola, menchikaboola, bibbidi bobbidi.
Guys, it is now after 8. If I'm gonna cap, I probably after 9. I'm just done everything. I'm here for do as I have an orientation for tomorrow. So Chat. Oh my god. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share the video. Tell a friend, but tell a friend or to watch this. It wait and take me up. Yeah, come just on but yeah. Tell a friend, man. Tell a friend. When Mr. Beer things are going over here. So clack it. Oh, chat on property. I'm supposed to put up something, but a girl's tired. Maybe I go do it. I'm gonna put my ear out. But I'm gonna think that in another video here. So probably tell me I do a next video, a girls chat, a story time, a day in a life, or whatever. Y'all will see it. I'm out. Bye. Whoosh.